on. I'll pop to mine and get my trainers on. We get some bird food, seeds. Are we off? Are we? What do you think?
Yeah.
What's up with you? What's up?
You want to get some bird seeds?
I'm gonna go get some trainers on and then get some bird food.
Right, okay.
I will feed the birds today. You see, there's Nazi's not here now. Let's go, Carmine. I can get my steps.
Oh, you realise I recorded that?
Oh, right.
I recorded that.
I was recording, isn't it?
That's why I was like, what? I'm recording.
Well, I'm going to get my trainers on.
Get some bird seeds. What are you going on?
Seeds.
I think today, yes, this is a vlog today. It's not really anything special. It's just funny vlogs. Just again,
Just going out.
We're
going out. We're going doing our steps.
Yeah. Because this guy right now. So what I'll do, I'll show you a picture.
I'm going to show how much I've got.
Go on. Alright. We got 1,000.
No, 3,000.
In fact, no, I do.
3,000.
I'll put his profile there. Right.
No.
You can see what his average is.
You don't want to see.
His average is this. There you go.
I'm on 3,550.
But your average is like 7,000. Mine's like, this is my average. It's hot. Mine's about 18,000.
I'm averaging.
Mine's like double yours.
It is. You are double.
Maybe because you need to stop using this car. Might help.
Yeah, I think I need to. That's what I do. I just start, like, even driving to the local shop.
So, before you took that out of context, what he meant, basically, he meant this. He meant this kind of bird seed.
Can you show him, please?
Yeah, I'm trying to, like.
You know what I mean.
Yeah, that's what he meant. That's what he meant. So before you take that out of context.
Yeah.
I'm imagining how many people would take that out of context now.
You don't even want to imagine.
In fact, I will just take it out, just put it on your YouTube channel. I'm just telling you. And tag me.
I will have more steps done than you. I've been averaging on 8,000, and that's me not wearing my watch, my Fitbit, for like 4 or 5 hours of the day as well. So now I'm gonna.
You're making excuses. Stop making excuses up, mate. Stop making excuses up.
You're not coming, fam. Right, no.
Yeah, they might already been fed.
Yeah,
someone's been here before you.
They actually have. Look at them, they're just fucking lazy. Nah, they're not lazy. Boy, in there. It actually is. Leave it here. They don't eat that.
Do they not?
No. They don't eat it. You've just like thrown their food in the water.
I thought they ate that. What are you doing? Why are you doing that with the camera?
Taking your shots.
Alright, okay.
Yeah.
What a video this was. All I'm gonna say, what a video. What? So I tuned into that video I made like 4 years ago, throwing bread over my wall. I threw bread over my wall and made a video about it.
I've been thrown seeds.
That's turned into that now. How is that gonna be? Oh, right, okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. See you later.
It is what it is.
Oh God.